But why am I officer needs in Genango, Corapas 8 in Chesamuan?
That's one. Singeno Corapas 8 no one server. We no longer take members of the public. We do admin work until possible.
But is that allowed? So if as a member of the public in Figalango too, for application Lisa now I'm Melangangen because Nina needs business administration. Does it work like that?
What about Lord?
Yeah, because I understand the one. No, MMC responsible for this department.
Okay.
Yeah, and there I'm leaving. So my guys will put us as yeah.
Those issues, the concerns.
Okay.
Yes.
Sapila.
Yeah, bro.
Sapila ninja. Like bengibuza ubaba ngibona ukuthi Monday to Friday ngingena ngo-8 inches nazo ngiyachayisa ukwenza. But he explains to me ukuthi after one nenza administration work. So I'm asking a simple thing. Ukuthi as a community member mangizofika la ngo-2 ngizofuna ukuthi ningincede with the application to this land or whatever. So ngeke ningi-attend nina because by 1 o'clock niba business administration.
Okay. Now, sir, I would say, siyashayisa ngoba into esenzayo ngoba kusebenza ama-5 kakhulu. Attenda lezi into stuff ama-reports, senza ama-inspections, different ama-meetings.
Okay, like yourself, nisebenza njenge-city planning.
Yeah.
But city planning doesn't have this thing. They work, they balance their work, and what he explained to me also, he says, you guys are short-staffed. It's understandable, but also now city planning, they are also short-staffed. But as long as you tell me that a community, you guys never assist that because like responding it's like you guys know one never business administration, and that's how I'm figuring as introduce as an ordinary person. Now firstly mangifika la ngizikhulumela expression yakho wena umsebenzayo must tell me that you are friendly to your customers. So and that's what we always get queries about. Sometimes abantu abathola ukujabula in our offices because asibaphathi kahle, you understand. So it's one thing that you guys need to do ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi nixoxe as a team, nifundisane nokwenzisha ama-community members ukuthi ngahenzisha kanjani. Yeah, because ubaba zange abe akhulume kahle. Yeah. Ukuthi angishongo ukuthi ngu-MMC. That's why ngeke ngize ngisho ukuthi ngu-MMC.
Yeah.
Because we need to learn ukuthi abantu sisebenza kanjani.
No, see, short staff. Their arrangement, because manje angithi about my report la ukuthi senginomuntu kumele umathele la wena ba sala forever. Yeah, so go